Made of polycarbonate thermoplastic material to provide durability, flexibility, and resilience to withstand hard impacts and heavy force. Heat fade resistant to temperatures over 100 degrees, which protects them against discoloration and fading over time. Flammability UL94, V2 rating. Easy replacement of any wall plate of the same configuration. Dimensions: 5 height x 5 length. Smooth finish without recessed lines and soft edges allows for easy cleaning. Includes painted screws to match the wall plate. UL listed. The ENERLITES Unbreakable Wall Plate. For residential and commercial applications. Made from unbreakable polycarbonate thermoplastic material to withstand bending, twisting, fading, extreme heat, and heavy impacts. Designed for fast, easy installations. Matching installation screws included. Adds a sleek, modern appearance to any residential or commercial location. Top reviews from the United States. Unbreakable. I had a lot of new receptacles installed in a remodel project. The standard plates from the local building supply broke easily if you over-tightened them. Also, the guys who did my drywall work were a bit sloppy with the cuts for the outlets. So a standard size plate did not fit in several instances. So I bought these instead. They are larger and unbreakable. Not a one cracked or broke. Great product. This is available in the standard size and oversize. I would buy again.